If you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel in 2025, you're probably wondering, what should I focus on? The truth is that not all niches are created equal when it comes to growth and profit. Some niches are booming right now while others are fading out. In this video, we'll explore the YouTube niches that can make you the most money in 2025. Whether you're new to content creation or already have a channel, these ideas will help you maximize your success and turn your passion into profit. Also, one thing to note is a thing we content creators call CPM, or cost per mile. This means the cost per 1,000 impressions, meaning how much advertisers pay for every 1,000 views of their ads on YouTube. It shows how much advertisers spend to get their ads seen by people. For example, if an advertiser pays $20 for their ad to be seen 2,000 times, that's the CPM. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Let's dive in. Number 10. Celebrity gossip and pop culture. Who doesn't love a little gossip? The celebrity gossip and pop culture niche continues to be one of YouTube's most entertaining and profitable spaces. From analyzing the latest Hollywood scandals to reviewing hit TV shows and movies, this niche offers endless opportunities for engaging content. Viewers flock to channels that provide the latest updates and hot takes on their favorite stars and trends. This niche thrives on trending topics, making it essential to stay updated and deliver content quickly. Monetization options include ad revenue, sponsorships, and collaborations with entertainment brands. To stand out, focus on presenting information in a captivating and unique way. Your personality and perspective are what will draw viewers in and keep them coming back for more. Number 9. Lifestyle and vlogs. Lifestyle and vlogging channels have a unique charm because they allow viewers to peek into someone else's life. In 2025, this niche will remain profitable, especially for creators who can share relatable or aspirational content. Whether you're documenting your daily routines, sharing tips on minimalism, or taking viewers on your travel adventures, lifestyle content has a way of connecting with audiences on a personal level. What makes this niche versatile is its broad scope. You can explore different subtopics like productivity, self-care, or home organization, tailoring your content to what resonates most with your viewers. Sponsorships and affiliate marketing play a big role in monetizing lifestyle channels, as do merchandise sales and collaborations with brands. To succeed, focus on authenticity and storytelling. Share your unique perspective and engage with your audience in a way that feels genuine and approachable. Number 8. Food and cooking. Food content has universal appeal, making it one of the most enduring niches on YouTube. In 2025, the food niche remains a hot favorite as people continue to explore new recipes, cooking techniques, and cuisines. Whether it's quick weeknight dinners, gourmet recipes, or food challenges, there's something for everyone in this space. Viewers love visually engaging videos that make cooking feel accessible and fun. This niche offers diverse monetization opportunities, from brand sponsorships and affiliate sales to creating your own cookbooks or meal plans. Additionally, collaborations with restaurants or food delivery services can boost your earnings. To stand out, focus on high-quality visuals and clear instructions. Your passion for food will shine through if you're creative and consistent in your content. The expected average CPM for this niche is about $3.50. Number 7. Travel and adventure. Travel is more than just a hobby. It's a lifestyle that many aspire to experience. In 2025, as global travel continues to rebound, YouTube channels dedicated to travel and adventure will thrive. From budget-friendly travel tips to luxurious getaway guides, this niche has something for every kind of traveler. Viewers are drawn to creators who can take them on virtual journeys, showcasing hidden gems, cultural experiences, and breathtaking landscapes. Monetizing a travel channel often involves partnerships with tourism boards, sponsorships from travel brands, and affiliate deals with booking platforms. High-quality visuals are a must in this niche, as viewers want to feel immersed in the destinations you showcase. To succeed, focus on storytelling and providing valuable information that helps your audience plan their adventures. The average CPM is around $7. Number 6. Self-development and motivation. In an era where personal growth is a priority for many, self-development and motivational content hold immense value. Channels in this niche inspire viewers to overcome challenges, build better habits, and achieve their goals. Whether it's productivity hacks, mindfulness practices, or life coaching advice, this niche resonates deeply with audiences seeking positive change. The self-development niche offers a range of monetization opportunities, including sponsorships, ad revenue, and premium content like workshops or ebooks. To succeed, focus on providing actionable tips and relatable stories that inspire your audience. Consistency and authenticity are crucial, as viewers look for creators who genuinely want to help them grow. Number 5. Education and online learning. Education is a timeless niche that continues to gain momentum, especially in today's digital-first world. More people are turning to YouTube to learn new skills or deepen their knowledge in various subjects. Whether it's mastering a coding language, learning graphic design, or improving math skills, educational channels cater to a wide range of learners. In 2025, the demand for high-quality online learning content is expected to skyrocket as more people seek accessible and affordable ways to upskill. What makes this niche profitable is the variety of monetization options available. Aside from ad revenue, you can partner with online learning platforms, sell your courses, or even offer one-on-one coaching sessions. The key to success is breaking down complex topics into simple, digestible videos that resonate with your audience. Consistency is crucial, as viewers will return to your channel for reliable and well-structured content. If you're passionate about teaching, this niche offers unlimited growth potential. Number 4. Gaming. Gaming has become a cultural phenomenon, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. With advancements in gaming consoles, virtual reality, and mobile gaming, the gaming niche on YouTube continues to be one of the most profitable. Channels focusing on gameplay walkthroughs, live streaming, tutorials, and game reviews have a massive audience of dedicated fans. Whether you're showcasing your skills in competitive games or diving into story-driven adventures, there's a place for you in this ever-growing community. One of the biggest advantages of the gaming niche is its potential for building a highly engaged audience. Gamers are loyal, and they often form communities around their favorite creators. Monetization opportunities include ad revenue, brand sponsorships, affiliate sales for gaming accessories, and even fan donations during live streams. To succeed, it's important to find your unique voice in this space, whether it's through humor, storytelling, or offering valuable tips. The average CPM on YouTube for gaming is $10. Number 3. Technology and gadgets. If there's one thing that never goes out of style, it's technology. The tech niche continues to thrive on YouTube, with millions of viewers tuning in to stay updated on the latest gadgets, apps, and innovations. Whether it's unboxing the newest smartphone, reviewing high-tech gaming gear, or explaining the features of a new app, tech creators have endless content opportunities. In 2025, topics like artificial intelligence, virtual reality, electric vehicles, and smart home devices are expected to dominate this space. Tech channels benefit from high CPM rates because of the premium nature of the products they cover. Advertisers know that tech-savvy viewers are more likely to make purchases, which makes this niche incredibly profitable. Creators can also earn through affiliate marketing, sponsorships from tech brands, and even collaborations with e-commerce platforms. To succeed in this niche, you need to stay ahead of trends and offer in-depth, unbiased reviews that help viewers make informed decisions. The average CPM is around $7 to $10 for tech-related content. Number 2. Health and wellness. In a world where people are increasingly health-conscious, the health and wellness niche continues to grow exponentially. From fitness routines and yoga sessions to mental health tips and holistic healing, this niche offers a broad spectrum of content. People turn to YouTube not just for inspiration, but also for expert guidance on leading healthier lives. Whether they're looking to lose weight, build muscle, or manage stress, viewers value creators who provide authentic and practical advice. This niche is highly profitable because it touches on something universal. Everyone cares about their well-being. Monetization opportunities are vast, including partnerships with fitness brands, affiliate sales for health supplements or workout gear, and even creating your digital fitness programs. To stand out in this competitive niche, focus on building trust with your audience. Share personal stories, back your advice with research, and stay consistent with your uploads. The average CPM is $7.50. Number 1. Personal finance and investing. Money makes the world go round, and people are always looking for ways to manage it better. Personal finance and investing remain among the most profitable niches on YouTube because of the consistent demand for practical financial advice. Viewers are eager to learn about budgeting tips, saving strategies, and ways to invest in stocks, real estate, or even cryptocurrencies. Channels in this niche don't just help viewers build wealth, they also educate them about managing debt and creating sustainable financial habits. What makes this niche so lucrative is its high CPM. Financial services companies, investment platforms, and credit card brands are ready to pay top dollar to advertise on finance-related videos. As a creator, you can also make money through sponsorships, affiliate programs, and selling your financial products like ebooks or courses. The secret to success is delivering clear, actionable advice in a friendly tone, whether you're breaking down complex stock trends or sharing simple budgeting hacks. The average CPM for this niche is from $4 to $12. That's all for now. I hope you have enjoyed watching the video. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.